Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Kalalong kajing sarong ya kajaj benriu Khasi, ya kajela Meghalaya, ba ya kari India. Namar kajing pau jong Ktien Khasi, hakmat ki weipat ki jaj benriu jong kari ka perthai. Kani kelaja hadin baka Khasi Light Choir kepada ke Kynhun Rwai jong ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong. Kala Rwai ka Ktien Khasi hakaransa kop Rwai kepala tip ka third Thailand International Choral Festival. Ya kabala pelong daka Thailand Choral Association nadu ka lai terik nailar bat kabala kutno haka nyau terik nailar ar hajar pun riu. Anda kani ka Kynhun kalawan phai shala ka jong ka jela. Lapriang sopa dikinai kai ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong. Ringkat kinangelam bagi dekat ka United New Trap Movement bat ka New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization haka shpotrik nailar aja pun riu ha ISBT Mauyong Shillong. Kani ka Kynhun Rwai jong ka Kiddies Corner kablai shimanta haki Tylli ki kerdan bat kalai okhur ya kita ka Ksiar habaro ar. Bat nalor kata kalai okhur ru ya ka Special Jury Award na kani ka jinge kop. Tunginya sengap menta ya ka jinge kren bo principal jong ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong. Ubabu Brian Walang.
Korea pinadu dengan step dia bisa like adu ke lan ko tiang te so ila ni kalau sok ke sai na ayu na like na plan do kan komon jungo ni la te ni na kalian ko seng but on behalf yung kabrinyo trap ni yok ni sen he men sen ni so sarong takariam tendrai the culture dari kita bestor lengba kesilai aba syai wanra buram nakapor skopor sementara sa wanra dia buram agani hatu kopor ngabun kini ki para ngai thu ha kebal alam kum ki kon do mari kon jongar bisa sekolang kila he wanra e buram jongka jella jongka brih nyok trap jongka nation dan jongka India hi barak kawai tingin kan kalian pajongi ni kwa ban sai buram ibarat man pendeng sas kum kata ka kaburam ka bangila pan no senyang lem kumbak sila wan ra kaburam ya kejela dengan sedang syara ka ba ini sentiu ya i sarbrain pat ka momento memang tangin sa pendeng sas para oh
louder guys.
Kesilai! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray!
One small guy come hold this.
Go back a little bit. Wow. Come on, Kumar.
Wow.
Kan je un momento?
Mentangin penting sas sedang besar.
Okay, just say. What's going on?
Congratulations.
Come forward, George.
Come forward.
Yeah.
Boys.
Boys.
Boys, come on, boy. Come on, boy. Oh, there he's there. Come, boys, come, like.
Congrats.
It's 2018, if I'm not mistaken. Already had give Uncle Kumar attention. I'm so sorry for this time. Actually, because from our organization, we just got a conversation in this last night.
That's right.
We couldn't prepare anything, but no issues. Like we will be invited to our organization by this month.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Well done,
Just like we
everyone.
did. And once again, we congratulate you all. And Polish bun, kalau rakyat tenang kuburan mencari beri new grab mo, yang kata kenang itu mo,
Let me take this one. Smile, guys.
Smile. Thank you.
Thank you. Like this.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Manuel.
Where's the manual?
Yeah, this is the third Thailand International Choral Festival organized by the Thailand Choral Association, which was held from the 3rd to the 7th, which included 9 categories. And we took part in 2 categories where we got 2 gold medals for both the categories, and we also got a special award for being the most inspirational choir. The opening ceremony was in Rwai in Khasi.
How many countries?
7. No, only us from India. We were the first choir from India to ever represent our country at this competition. 2 gold and 1 special jury award. Oh, we would love to travel to other places too, but because of the financial situations, it was not easy. Because to go to something like this, we require a lot of funds. And we hope that we will be able to get it through the things that we do. Because we really want our music to go out of the Northeast. And to hear after the opening ceremony, all the Indonesian choirs, all of them were singing the song Oi Oi when they were going back. At least now other countries are learning Khasi songs. So I'm really proud about that. And they all found the choir, like they said, the most disciplined choir, very hospitable. So the children did a very good job promoting our state. And I'm so proud of that actually. No, this is our 10th gold medal now. Yeah, 5th country. Yeah, not yet. This time, not yet. I hope when they see the results then, hopefully. Yeah, because we're representing the country, I think it's an honor for us. And I think it's an honor for everyone because I'm saying now Khasi music is being shown to the world, and now they've realized why no music, because we are so different from the other countries. And that's what the judges said, our music is really pure, very gentle, and that's what they really loved about it. Whereas the other countries are very loud, and we had only 25, the other countries had 40, 50 choir members. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Viviana, Aldora, Evan Roy, Lala Nangha, Michelle, Batsri Soy Bunyapun, Gabriela, Rachel, Lapan Ktien, Isabella, and Safi Clarissa. Let's give them a huge round of applause, everyone. For the girls, I would request Miss Hazel to please come up on stage and do the honors.
From the parents, I would like to call upon Miss Jenny Mouthorpe to please felicitate for the boys.
à, tao kỹ văn. Em có biết có prom qua ở khăn nai thì.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอตมั้งคันตอนฉันแน่ประดามนี่ทำเป็นบทเองดิล็อกพา
Bon sen kibru, juk kli bahagia nga. Tangki kemat pom cina. Iya apa yodai?
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สูงยากระมอต่อระบุนรายกระมเต็มเอเทียร์ดีพี่ก็กองกันน่ะ
อยากคิดวิวงานนี่นะมาแม่คิดมาวันนี้ทำไมแม่ยาวฮะ
แม่สเตอร์ละงามสร้างเกี่ยวกับเก่า
Dah minum pedih yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngak kuat ai amal lai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sempol desain gua ar dah hikai segi desain mana je ya kan ya sempol desain.
Segini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kamu dah terang ah, laduk mesin dia sikit ah, kamu kuat.